Mi ama stret lo hari mo bla liglig nek. Well, people bla New Ireland ni make him now li tokol sem. Time last kona ikam na sana blo here. One bla leader bla New Ireland ni tanim na toki mi olsem. Said Julius M. Sato, we should care the most for those who are furthest from us. Mi sa worry lol people blo mi lo malamata. People no hari mem go boda blo mi one day menga. Only no sa kam lo Wewak town too. Mi sa worry lo line blo mi lo me riba. Only go boda one them telephone me ni go get a close lo boda one them West Papua. Plani blo no sa kam to mas lo Wewak. Online blo mi lo Suten Island. One can also online blibla lo island lo ya. Mi sa worry lo online is stop long way.
Good morning. This is a community. Uh, this is the place where we live, and this is a little this group. We are people from here, but the government doesn't think of us. Though we are voting, the ballot boxes reaches our home, but the services do not reach us. This is the place where we live, and this is our home. Most of our life we don't use kina, but we are using rupiah, which is belonging to the Indonesian government. And most of our services, resources, we sell them out to get services from Indonesia. Thank you.